Okay, so we have tournament report like around 8 and 9 December 2023, and we start with this Rescue S, and he have a good record 7-0. I also have a similar list like this, but I believe right now Super Bowl it's not good enough against Undertech, and I choose to play Mantech, Impam, and a Valor again. That's my own opinion because Super Bowl it doesn't stop deck like uh, Fire King, and yeah, it only good against Rescue S Mirror Match, and I feel like I don't need a Super Poly anymore in my Rescue S deck. But if you still like this kind of place, you can use this for reference. But right now, I don't play in this list anymore. So next, from Korean player, we have Rescue S, Laprin, then Red Raptor. This Red Raptor get top 4, and Alter Case. Next, Retrikin Akvin with Horus. Next, Infernoid, pure Infernoid with 60 cards. This is another variant if you want to play Infernoid. It between use Snake Eye Engine or not. But if you don't like Snake Eye Engine, you can use this list and you can play Resoning and Monster Cat. But I think you still need card like this Diablo Star. Next, this is top 32 from Tetsu Championship, I believe, and they have like 166 players. This is huge tournament, and we have Fire King, Rescue S, and Runic with Laser Colosseum. And next, another top 32, Laprin with Phantasma in main deck. Also, he played Didigron in main deck. Didigron is really good against Fire King. Infernoid, I believe this list is no, I think it's a bit different because he played Merly and Siren. This is interesting actually. Next, Fire King with Super Poly in main deck. Next, Fire King with Super Poly in main deck, and he also main deck Nibiru. And for extra deck, he played Lyricus and Zeus. Interesting. Next, we have Centurion. I'm not sure it is from 9 or yes. Centurion Horus, and he main deck evenly. Next, from Tetsu Championship, and it is top 16. We have Snake Eye Horus. Interesting. He main deck 3 Populus and 2 Oath. Yeah, this is interesting too because people usually only play 1 Oath and 2 Populus. And also Horus is just for extender, and you can avoid Nip and summon Photon Lord first before you use Snake Eye or make a combo with Snake Eye. Next, Rescue S, standard build. The difference is he played Ningirsu in extra deck. Next, 60 cards Infernoid. and he played Chimera Fusion, I believe. And this is a pure build on the Diablo Star in this list. Next, Branded, and he played Shifter inside deck, and Shifter is really strong against a Fire King. Next, we have Top 8 from Tetsu Championship, and we have Infernoid, pure with Chimera Fusion. He also main deck Super Poly in main deck. Next, Chimera Horus. This is like a standard build for Chimera deck. Next, Infernoid. This time we have Infernoid mixed with Snake Eye and Horus. And if you mix it with these two different or three different archetype, you don't need to use Reasoning and Monster Cat because you have more starter hand with this archetype. And we have Fire King, and he might take 2 Super Poly. Next, we have Top 16 from Tetsu Championship. Rescue S, a standard build, a Silent Force with Dogma, and he also might take Super Poly. Next, we have Fire King. Next, we have Snake Eye and might take 2 Super Poly. Next, Top 32 from Tetsu Championship, and Labyrinth with 2 Didigron in main deck, and Impulse plus Fire Attacker inside deck. You also have a Porter inside deck. You can use Porter when you're going first. Next, Centurion Snake Eye. Some people still confused about the synergy about this two archetype, but I think I already explained this. But if you don't know about this, is it because Bonfire is one card combo. Let's say if you Primera it's got negate, you can activate Bonfire and search Populus and make combo from there. Also, Flamberg is level 8, so you can use it for Synchro Material too. But if done, you can play regular Link combo with this Snake Eye engine. So basically, you'll get a lot of value from Snake Eye engine in here. Even if you don't throw Centurion engine, it's fine. You can play a regular Link summon in this deck. Next, Rescue S. Next, we have Dogma Shadow plus Brand 2. Tenko Seika inside deck. Next, we have Top 32 from Tetsu Championship. Anti-meta. This is pure anti-meta. Next, Rescue S. Next, another Rescue S. Next, Purely. Purely is doing decent. Yeah, it depends with your luck, yeah, because sometimes you break. Next, we have Anchen, and he have Kaiser Colosseum inside deck. Next, Snake Eye Pure. Next, Purely. I believe this list is from before, from Tetsu Championship. Next, we have Top 4 from Tetsu Championship, and it is Runic, Rescue S, and next we have Rescue S, and I believe this list is from Tetsu Championship, and he got Top 4. Top 8 from Tetsu Championship, Chimera. He get top 4. I'm not sure this is from Tetsu Championship or not, but I think this from a different tournament. It is Rescue as Snake Eye. I also have a similar idea about this Snake Eye, but sometimes it's not work because you need to normal summon like airlifter and hydrant. You need to normal summon it, but if you throw bonfire you can make a good board, but if not sometimes you confuse between summon Snake Eye or not. Next from Korean player Snake Eye Fire King. Next Infernoid Snake Eye. Next Fire King with side in set deck. Yeah, we have purely, and this is the list from champion and second place. And first place we have the Silent Force. It's pure Silent Force, and he main deck Tulansia. Tulansia in main deck is interesting actually. And next second place is Rescue S, and he main deck 2 Troll, and he don't play any Impulse and play 3 Hydrant. Also for set deck, I forget about this card effect, but it helps you to protect your set spell or trap in your field. So the idea is to protect your spell trap against Duster or Storm. Also for this Silent Force list, his side deck is Ultimate Slayer, interesting. Next we have Fire King. Next for Duelist Taiyo. First place we have Infernoid, 40 cards. Next we have Runic, Rescue S, and Rescue S FDK because of this Blazing Phoenix and Unchained. Next we have Fire King, and then next Rescue S with 3 True Net, 3 Hay True Net in set deck. Next Fire King with 3 Imperm and 3 Valor. Next Magician with Zac build. Next we have Fire King with 2 Nip in main deck. Next Valiance. And then we have a Ritual Base, 2 Nip in main deck. Next we have a Rescue S, and then we have Runic. Next Rescue S, next we have Branded. Next Salamangreat. Caster Colosseum make this deck is better when you going first. Next we have Snake Eye Pure, and said that he played the Boom. This is interesting. It's the Boom actually. It's like you have third call in this deck, especially when you're going first, because it helps you to banish opponent monster. So I believe this debunk is for Fire King matchup. Next, yeah, debunk is interesting actually. Next we have Mikanko, and then we have Fire King, and he might take Super Poly. Next we have Fire King. Next, Rescue S with Solemn Strike. Next, Fire King. Next, another Fire King from Korean player. Then from Tulio CS, we have Fire King, 3 Imperm, 3 Valor. Next, Fire King. Wait, it is? Okay, no. I thought it is 2v2 tournament. Third place, Runic. I see. So this is a 3v3 tournament. So this is the first place. And second place we have Fire King, and Rescue S. Next, third place, Fire King, Rescue S, and Rescue S. Next, fourth place, I believe, Valiance, Fire King, and Branded. So as you can see, a lot of Fire King, of course. Next, we have Rescue S. Next, this is from Tulio GS, Tetsu GS. Tetsu GS, I think I already shared this too. This is Infernoid. Next, Fire King. Then we have. Okay, so this is from Master Duel, I believe, because 3 unicorn. So we'll skip it. Next, Mikanko with Snake Eye. I think this is the first time I saw this Mikanko mix it with Snake Eye. I think almost everything use Snake Eye engine. Horus, Red Dragon Aquin. Next we have Snake Eye, and he lost. And now we'll skip this one too. I think this is like all pin list. Next, Fire King, and he might take Gamma, and might take Kurikara. And he also might take Mystical Space Typhoon. I don't know why he might take have Mystical Space Typhoon in side deck. I think Cosmic Cyclone is too much better. I don't know why he have Typhoon. And it is 3v3 tournament from Taiwan. Next, Infernoid, Rescue S, Aroma. Okay, so Aroma plus Riga. I think this is the first time I saw this deck at top. And we have Rescue S2. Okay, so I think after this it is from 10 December, so we'll see you on the next one.